Arshi. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different from rest of my videos. So today's video I am going to customize pieces. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do it right now. Okay guys, now let's get into the video. So these are my beautiful sails with the different sizes that I will be customizing today, and I took this sails which was the largest among them, and now I am going to do a good coat of white first so that the color I am going to do on these sails will pops on it. After applying white color, I will keep it aside to let it dry, and till then moving to the next step. Basically, my plan is here to make a mermaid that I will make using polymer clay. I make 2 clay rolls for the hands of the mermaid, and I also use white acrylic colors to draw her eyes. Okay, so one by one I will attach all the body parts, but before that here I use brown clay for her hair. I will roll some clays and rolling out that rolls and twisting it so it looks like a curly hair and stick it to the head. For her tail and the fin, I will use purple color. By the way, if you guys wondering
what is going on,
let me tell you, basically what I want is to use that sail as a beach, and this mermaid will sit on that beach. Alright guys, here my mermaid is almost done, and now let's paint the sail. For the sea here I using white and blue color, and also I use sea green color, and I will using white and yellow color for the beach, and also some white color to show the waves of the sea. After the painting has done, now it's time to stick all the body parts of the mermaid with the sails. So here I am using white glue to stick all the parts one by one, and my mermaid is ready.
So cute!
Alright, now moving on to the next one. This time I will be use 3 sails instead of 1 big sails, and I already applying white base to all the 3 sails, and now I will start with the big sail first. Here I want to make a fairy, and this big sail will be the dress of my fairy, and the small sails will be the fairy's wings. I want to give ombre effect to my fairy's dress. That's why I use different shades of sea green color. Now using polymer clay, I will make the head and hair and other body parts of the fairy. So here I will use the same process to make a polymer clay fairy as I used to make the mermaid. The only difference is that instead of a tail, there will be fairy's wings, and these wings of the fairy will be made by the cells. Here I use blue color for the hair of my fairy. Once it is done, I will stick all the 3 cells with the doll. This time I am also adding some jewelry, and using a marker I am trying to apply some blush to her cheeks. I thought it will be looks good. By the way, you guys will let me know how you like this process. Comment down below, and if you guys new to my channel, then do subscribe now, because I bring such fun videos every week. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like it and share with your friends.